the workshop is going to be as much about the act of imagining as it is going to be about writing and drawing. We're going to use the zine as a sort of vehicle to record and document various aspects of these trans utopias, everyone's individual ideas about what utopia might look like, and to create in the end a sort of physical document that is going to be a record of not only the time that we spent together in P-Town, but also of these ideas that everyone is going to hopefully bring to life and illuminate. I think we're going to have some planned activities, but also I think it's going to veer off into sort of unknown territories, even for me, because I think the act of writing and drawing in the service of imagination is going to lead to moments in the document that we won't even have been able to foresee in the first place. One of the exercises that we're going to do is create maps of our trans and queer utopias. I don't know how many people will have made maps before. I'm guessing not that many, but to try and immerse yourself in the imaginative practice of imagining, of thinking about a space that is to you a kind of utopia might only be, well, one way into that would be to create a map of it, which that might sound scary, but then I think we're going to do work on imagining specific places within that map and then writing about those places, imagining what those spaces might look like through writing. And then once we've sort of described it verbally or on the page, then maybe we take another stab at it from a visual angle, right? I think we're going to also try and imagine characters that inhabit these queer utopias. We're going to write descriptions of these characters and then imagine them visually, put them in situations together within scenarios that we've outlined as part of the map making exercise. And then it's going to, I think, hopefully it'll build on itself and we'll have vignettes with these characters sort of inhabiting these spaces. The book is a travel guide in the guise of a graphic novel to an imaginary trans-only city, a city that's inhabited exclusively by trans people. There's a guide who guides you, the reader that is, through the streets and alleys and avenues of this trans city. And the project of imagining this trans city is something that I think is very much part of the same impulse that I had in proposing this workshop that I hope everyone will be participating in. So the book is taking on the project of guiding you through the trans city, as well as seeing what happens to the guide as she gets deeper and deeper into the ins and outs and mechanics of this imaginary place.